Hey, how's it going? My name is Blake. I'm with Double Diamond Window Cleaning up here in good old North Idaho. I wanted to take a minute and just share my experience with 180 sites, what my experience was, but you can probably expect your experience to be as well. I am unpaid by them, so this is all me for sure. First of all, so last year, my website that I built on Wix, and I'm not a website designer, but it looked okay. It was at least navigatable, and it was at least a URL that I could put on a business card or on flyers or my Facebook account or whatever it was. So it was okay as a placeholder, but it definitely did not look professional. What I have now versus then, when customers went to my website, then I had the analytics all printed out and everything. I had a lot of visitors, and almost all of them went away from the website pretty quickly without calling, without making any kind of action on the website because the perceived value was very low. Um, Even though that was my best efforts, it was not enough to really produce customers essentially and actually sell the customers. So 180 sites, I reached out to them over the winter time. They've done a fantastic job of building me a new website, making it very easily navigatable. It's an attractive website. My conversion rate went through the roof. Just about every single customer that I've done work for at this point, when I asked them how they've heard about me, they said online, yada yada. I went to your website. Your website looks great. That is one of the first things out of their mouth from just about every single customer, without me really searching for it at all. So that's huge, and I know that the perceived value of my company because of the website that was built for me by 180 Sites has gone way way up. So it is much easier for me to go to jobs, go do bids, and have that perceived value already in the customer's mind, and there's much less haggling, arguing about price, even questions about price. Because when the customers go to my website now, they see this is a company who is legit. They know what they're doing. They've got to be insured. They've got to have all of these things going because it's not a super cheap investment, but it is worth every penny. It has paid for itself many times over by this point, and it's just the beginning of June. Um, so have had a very, very pleasant experience with working with everyone at 180 Sites. Anytime I wanted to add nice job to my website, for example, I added some Google Analytics code to the website. I don't know what any of that means, but I could send it to them in an email the very next day. It's already implemented on my website. So it's been amazing. Customer service has been good. They called me. They made sure, hey, is your website set up all right? Do you have any problems with it? They're reaching out to me even in my busyness just to make sure that I'm set up for success. They installed something on the website to where every time somebody puts in their information on my website, it sends a lead directly to my phone, which is hugely convenient. I really can't say enough good things about the website. It has upped my perceived value, made me look like a much more successful company, given me the confidence in my own company as well. Um, and yeah, I cannot recommend them enough. I think if you are on the fence, absolutely go for it. I had them build me a new website, and I also had them write the content for all of my pages, which saved me a mountain of time. If you're on the fence, definitely have them write all of the on-page content for you as well. Because another thing to do is on-page SEO that I do not want to devote my life to learning SEO at this point. And I feel like if I were to have a good grasp of SEO, I would have to just switch businesses entirely. So the fact that they know about SEO, they have people that they're linked up with. If you're thinking like long term, okay, I'm going to build a website, then do SEO, then do all of this stuff, they set you up when they're making your website to make you successful in the future. So they are thinking long game way down the road. They're probably thinking much more long game than you are, to be totally honest with you. If you have any questions, any problems, any trepidation about the whole process, they will walk you through everything, make you feel ultra comfortable, and have all of the answers immediately at the go for you. So, all in all, I would say 180 sites, I would give them a 10 out of 10. And I think you will as well. I cannot encourage you more to go for it and have them build you a site, because it's made me a whole lot of money so far, and it's only ramping up. It's not even halfway through my season yet. So that's all I got for you right now. Again, highly recommend 180 sites. Hope that you guys have a similar experience. And that's it. Have a good one.